Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. First, a quick few shout outs. Big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Also, make sure to check us out on latoken.com and VCTV here in just a few minutes as we bring investors from around the world to break down the topics I'm about to go through with you today, because a lot happened and we're already at just the start of the day. Much more as it's Tuesday, so I expect a lot more news to drop as we go throughout the day. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Well, first and foremost, Aave, who is actually sitting at about $5 billion in TVL, so total value locked, according to DeFi Pulse, and also ranks number 3 on that list of DeFi protocols that make up the almost $40 billion in TVL, has released its AMM, the Auto Market Maker liquidity pool, enabling Uniswap and Balancer Lab liquidity providers to use their LP tokens as collateral in Aave protocol. Now, this is very important. It's also the third product that Aave has released recently. And again, this opens up a bigger market than they already have of $5 billion and growing. Next up, probably the biggest news of the day this morning, trading platform eToro is said to be going public via a $10 billion SPAC. Now, we've talked a lot about SPACs on VCTV recently and these special purpose public makers, but this one is backed by entrepreneur and chairman of the FinTech Acquisition Corp 5 or V, Betsy Cohen, poor Reuters. eToro has approximately 20 million users, and this public merger could be worth over, again, $10 billion. So we're excited to see where that heads towards. Next up, Bitcoin, as we know, reached its all-time highs recently of just over $61,700. When it did, Bitcoin's market cap was roughly $1.15 trillion. The combined market cap of JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China is $1.08 trillion. So Bitcoin has surpassed those three combined market caps of 3 of the largest banks in the world. Even as we have pulled back in the recent days, Bitcoin's market cap is still sitting just over $1 trillion, which is greater than both Visa and MasterCard, the 2 biggest payment networks, who also have a huge bet on cryptocurrency and digital payments, who together have a combined market cap of just under $900 billion. DBS is the first Asia bank to successfully close a trade financing transaction on Ant Group's blockchain platform, Truthful. Now, this is very important. Again, now looking at Asia, we've got blockchain platforms continuing around BSN, so the Blockchain Service Network. We also have others coming out of Tencent, and now Ant Group's is live as well. Ganassi, and Snapshots, a governance as a service provider, have collaborated to develop Safe Snap, a product that allows automatically executing successful governance votes on Snapshot. Again, governance is something we've seen a lot of push for in the industry recently. Exciting to see this happen. Next up, Showtime, the social network set to browse and show off your NFTs or non-fungible tokens across Foundation, Zora, Super Rare, and others, has launched today. Congratulations to Alex and his team on that launch. NEM, New Economy Movement Blockchain, the NEM Group, has launched a new business enterprise facing project today called Symbol. Symbol is a proof of stake blockchain with its own token, XYM, which the NEM Group is marketing as an enterprise blockchain solution for fintech, supply chains, and everything in between. Excited to see where that goes and how that continues to develop as well. Sotheby's will host a collection of works by digital artist Pack next month on the heels of Beeple's historic Christie's sale of $69.3 billion. And lastly, according to DApp Radar, the 4 top decentralized NFT dApps or decentralized applications now drive over $10 million in volume each day. That includes NBA Top Shot, CryptoPunks, Mooncats, and SoRare, who also just closed about $50 million in funding just a few weeks ago as well. With that, that's the quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. You can find me everywhere online, including social media, Twitter as well, for today's headlines and more news about the industry as well at Kyle Ellicott. But make sure to check us out on VCTV here in just a moment at LATOKEN.com. Everyone have a great day.